Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the Harbour View area. We just passed through Rockfort and we're heading towards Harbour View. We are on the Sir Florizel Boulevard, and this this road is named after the former Governor General of Jamaica, Sir Florizel Glasspool. I think the road is actually the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard. Alright, so we're now entering the area of Harbour View. The Harbour View is most popular because when you head into the airport, you pass through the Harbour View roundabout, and also it has a very large mall and it has a very large residential area. There used to be a cinema out here called the Harbour View Drive-In, and that was also very popular, but it closed down. It doesn't operate anymore. On the left is a new housing development. Now here is something you don't see every day. You're going to see two Total gas stations literally beside each other. What happened was Esso had one of these two gas stations, and when Total bought out Esso, they changed the Esso gas station to a Total. So that's how we ended up with two Totals on the same road, literally beside each other. Okay, if we turn left there, that takes us into the Bull Bay area, into St. Thomas. Turn left there, that takes us to the airport onto the Palisades Strip. Turn left there, we go back on the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard. And where we're going now, we're going into the residential part of Harbour View. So on the left is the Harbour View Shopping Center, and on the right are the residential homes. And Harbour View is a very large community, hundreds of homes. Alright, so we're going to take a quick tour through the residential area, and then we take a tour through the Harbour View Shopping Center. Now, when you look up, you see the JPS power lines, but I was told that you don't really see a lot of lines for JPS at the top, because like Hope Pastures, when Harbour View was built, the electricity cables were run underground. The lower set of cables on the pole, that's the telephone and the cable wires. The top part of the pole, the wires all the way at the top, those are the JPS wires. So I'm not sure if this area still has underground wires, but you can see the connections to the home going from the pole. You can see it on the pole. You can see the connections going to the homes. So I don't think, maybe some have underground, but these that we're looking at, they are connected from the pole. They get electricity from the pole, not underground. And in Hope Pastures, I know there was a court case because JPS did not want to maintain the electricity wires that ran underground. They said it was too expensive, and the residents took them to court, and I'm not sure what the outcome was. Well, actually, I'm not sure if it was because of the court case, but you have to connect to the overhead cables in Hope Pastures now. So I'm assuming something similar happened in this area. As you can see, a lot of homes in the Harbour View area, and this is just one section. the Harborview branch library on the left. And there's a stadium in this area too, because Harborview has a football club and they have the stadium. If we had turned right at that intersection, we would have gone up to the stadium. So this is another section of the neighborhood.